New generation children, particularly Gen Z, are experiencing a significant mental health crisis, with high rates of anxiety and depression linked to digital technology and societal pressures exacerbated by the pandemic. Addressing this requires a multifaceted approach, including promoting healthy family and community environments, integrating mental health support into schools, making mental health services accessible, and encouraging open communication. Individuals can help by being aware of warning signs, encouraging open dialogue, promoting physical activity, and advocating for youth mental health. Many young people feel stressed all or most of the time. Digital technology and social media contribute to mental health concerns, raising worries about the long-term impact on this generation's well-being. Climate change and global instability also place a heavy toll on children's mental health. Despite growing awareness, stigma surrounding mental health still exists, though many young people are breaking the silence. Schools can be vulnerable to negative influences like academic burnout and peer pressure, contributing to a mental health perfect storm. Create safe, non-judgmental spaces for open communication at home and in communities, integrate mental health awareness, provide resources, and train teachers to support students. Develop programs and services that provide information, counseling, and early intervention for children and adolescents. Regular exercise can reduce the risk factors for poor mental health and improve symptoms for those with diagnosed conditions. Use digital tools for educational interventions, provide resources, and include frictions to limit unhealthy screen time. Support initiatives that promote awareness and provide resources for youth mental health. Encourage children to talk about their feelings and experiences with judgment. Be aware of symptoms of mental health issues, such as changes in mood, behavior, or sleep patterns. The ability to believe in one's own capabilities and effectively handle various situations and achieve goals. A positive sense of self-worth and self-efficacy, which involves having a positive view of one's future and abilities. Building and maintaining strong, positive relationships with others, fostering a sense of belonging and emotional support. Demonstrating integrity, ethical behavior, and a well-developed moral code. Showing empathy, compassion, and concern for oneself and others within the community. This framework provides a comprehensive approach to mental health, emphasizing personal development alongside interpersonal relationships. By cultivating these qualities, individuals can build the resilience needed to cope with stress and adversity more effectively. In the context of positive youth development, PYD, these 5 Cs are viewed as key indicators of thriving and positive growth, particularly in adolescents. Youth mental health has become an increasingly urgent concern in recent years, with rising rates of anxiety, insomnia, substance use, depression, and eating disorders. Depression and anxiety share some of the same symptoms, including rapid and unexpected changes in mood. Anxiety and depressive disorders can profoundly affect school attendance and schoolwork. Social withdrawal can exacerbate isolation and loneliness. Depression can lead to suicide. In a world where it is nearly impossible to socialize, work, and get an education without technology, Gen Z individuals are always on, and this is associated with higher rates of depression, attention deficit disorder or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and technology addiction. Unlike previous generations, who may have viewed work as a necessary stressor, Gen Z expects employers to take mental health seriously. They value workplaces that provide psychological safety, flexibility, and a clear sense of purpose. Social interaction, emotional regulation, and cognitive and physical fitness are key components and pillars of mental health. When you care for each of the pillars, you can experience improved moods and well-being. And if someone you love is struggling, there are 5 be their golden rules that you can follow, and they say what you see, show you care, hear them out, know your role, and then connect to help. You can use one or more of these rules in whatever way makes sense.